Welcome to the Estates at Fallbrooke Farms, a private collection of just 8 premium home sites in Lehigh County, Pennsylvania. Nestled on spacious parcels amidst serene landscapes, this is your opportunity to create a truly custom home in an exceptional setting. Located just outside Allentown, the estates offer the perfect balance of peaceful living and urban accessibility. You'll enjoy effortless access to shopping, dining, and everyday amenities. Whether it's quick grocery runs or leisurely retail excursions, everything you need is within minutes. Hamilton's Crossing Shopping Center is just 10 minutes away, featuring Costco, Target, and popular restaurants. For bigger city adventures, downtown Philadelphia is an easy hour-and-a-half drive. Families will appreciate the unparalleled convenience of having Veterans Memorial Elementary School right in the neighborhood. The Estates at Fallbrooke Farms represents the pinnacle of refined living, where spacious home sites meet thoughtful community planning. Here you'll find that rare combination of privacy and convenience, all within a beautiful natural setting just moments from everything the Lehigh Valley has to offer. Your exclusive estate home site awaits. Discover the difference at the Estates at Fallbrooke Farms today.